Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? Holochain holder, this is an emergency update for all Holochain holder. And you know what's the emergency? The emergency is that, my friends, you can see here the change occurred last 7 days, 3.4% increase now. But from last 24 hours, this coin is fails down. But again, they take a jump. So therefore, I will tell my friends to don't do this mistake what I tell you. Otherwise, you completely end the loss. To my viewers, my subscriber, I will update you. I will guide you. If you subscribe this channel, if you new on my channel, kindly subscribe this channel to you never lost, my brothers. So thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. This time, my brother, the Holochain is completely and the profit now, my brother, because you know after a short jump they fails down, but after a fails they take again jump now. So I am so happy, my friends, to see this. But this chart, my friend, you can see here is on the screen is completely, my friend, I already cared this coin. And my friend, you understand to really in upcoming time there is a chance so they will give you a profit or not. So my brother, I've simple method I predicate this coin and a short method, my friends, so you understand now. This time you can see, my brother, after this fails they take a jump, you can see here, and after this jump they fails down. But absolutely, my friend, like that, absolutely there is more chances to after this fail like that, my friend, they again take a jump. You know, it's formula, my friends, to after a fails every craft you can see take a very huge jump, and after a jump they fails down. So therefore I will tell you to, I hope, my brothers, to after this fails they take a jump now. Let's see, my brothers. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to don't do this mistake. To a lot of holders, when see, my friend, the short fail, they are starting selling, but again tomorrow, my friends, they again take a jump, so they again starting, my friends. So therefore I think you are completely in the loss, my brother. What are you doing? Don't sell it just and only if you have any plan to invest for a long time. Absolutely, my friend, don't sell it, but hold, my friend, to the end of this month. I hope they will give you a good profit. They will make you millionaire now. So thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand. My opinion is that, my brothers, to please hold it, don't sell it, because I know, my brothers, to they will give you a profit. So just and only you need to hold. Thanks for watching, Holochain holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.